let's go to page 473. This is lesson 10-5. The objective of this lesson is to learn and apply the basic property of logarithm. So first you need to learn the 3 laws on page 473. So first law is the product law. So when you have a log base b of m times n, so when you have multiplication, you want to separate into sum of the 2 log. Okay, so separate, so this becomes m, log base b of m plus log base b of n. Okay. It's just like almost an exponent. When you have multiplication, you have to add exponents. Okay, so multiplication becomes sum of the 2 logs. And similarly, when you have division, when you have m divided by n, so division, for example, if you have division, you have to subtract the exponent, right? So treat it is the same way. So when you have division, in a way you have to subtract the exponents. So it becomes, so again, think of m and n are your exponents, okay? So you use that way. That way it can help you to memorize the laws. And the third law is your the power rules. So you have log base b of m to the power k. And so when you have exponent of exponent, you have to multiply. So in a way, this becomes k times log base b of m. Okay? So make sure you know these 3 laws forward and backward. Now let's go over some examples. Let's go to example 1. So you want to express log base 6 of m squared n to the 3, and you want to write this in terms of log m and log n. So first what you want to do is normally what you want to do, you want to apply the law 1 first. So separate the 2. So this is equal to log base 6 of m squared plus log base 6 of n to the 3. So apply the first one to separate the 2 parts. Then after that, you want to apply the third law. So the exponent will come to the front. So it becomes 2 times log base 6 of m. And the 3 will come to the front, becomes 3 times log, the log base 6 of n. So that's how you separate this into 2 separate logs. Okay, now let's go to example 2. You want to express log base 2 of square root of m over n to the 5. So for this, it's probably easier to go and separate the fraction. It is easier to see if you separate the fractions. Okay, then after that, you apply the second law to separate the 2. Now division, you have to separate into subtraction. Okay, and then after that, you can make into exponents. So square root is a 1/2 power, and this would be 5 over 2. Right? Then after that, you can apply a third law to bring this out to the front. Okay? So that's how you separate the divisions. Okay, let's go to example 3. A. Okay, you have log base 10 of p plus 3 log base 10 of q. Now this one you have to separate the two, combine the 2 together, so you have to do it in reverse. So first you have to get rid of this number in the front. So move to using the third law. Okay, so this goes inside. Then after you apply the first law, so when you have addition, you multiply them together. It becomes pq to the 3. Okay, let's go to 3b. You have 4 log base 10 of p minus 2 log base 10 of q. So you can first have to move the coefficient to the exponent position. So it's p to the 4. I move this out there using the third law, and the 2 goes inside. Okay. Then after that, you have to use the second law. When you have subtraction, you make into division. So it becomes p4 over q2. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's go to example 4. Okay, so you're giving that log base 10 of 2 equal to 0.30, and you have log base 10 of 3 equal to 0.48. So you have to use these two information to evaluate. Okay. Now there's a couple more information that you need to know. Okay, so another fact you need to know is log 10 of base 10. When these two numbers are same, we equal to 1. And also log of 1 will equal to 0. So you need to know this. Okay, and again, think about 10 to the 0 power equal to 1, 10 to the 1 power equal to 10. Okay? So these are two additional information that you need to know. So again, when the base and the number are the same, okay, it's equal to 1. And also when you have the log of 1, doesn't matter what the base is, it will give you 0. Okay? So you're going to use this to evaluate all the problems. So log base 10 of 18. So what you need to do, you need to break this down into the product of these. Okay? So break it down. So 18, if you break it down, you get 2. Divide by 2, you get 2. Divide by 3, you get 3. Divide by 3, you get 1. So this is equal to 2 times 3 times 3. Okay, so you can break down the number, and then you apply your first law. So this becomes log 2 plus log of 3 plus log of 3. Okay? And all these are base 10. Then after that, you can use this to evaluate. So this is equal to 0.30. That's this one here. And this 0.48 plus 0.48. And so this will equal to 1.26. Okay? Okay. Then let's go to 4b. I'm going to just do it on the side here. Okay, so 4b. You're looking for log of 20 over 3. So you need to break this thing down into these numbers. So 20 is equal to 2 times 10. Right, you can use it. So you want to break into 2, 3, 10, and 1s. Okay? So 20 equal to 2 times 10. So this is equal to log of 2 plus log of 10 minus log of 3. Right? Again, division you have to subtract, right? So now you can evaluate. So this one is 0.30. This one is 1. This one is 0.48. Okay, so when you evaluate, you will get 0.82. Okay, let's go to 4c. Okay, you can do log of 5. Okay, so 5 is now on the list. 5 is now on the list, so you need to, again, find a combination of that. So 5 came from 10 divided by 2. Right? 5 equal to 10 divided by 2. So now you got 10 and a 2. So this will equal to log of 10 minus log of 2. Okay, then this will equal to 1 minus 0.30. Right? Log 2 is 0.30. Log 10 is 1. And so this will equal to 0.70. Okay. Okay, let's go to 4d. Okay, you have log of 1 over cube root of 2. Okay, so first we need to express this in the exponential power. Okay, so this is equal to 1 over 2 to the 1/3 power. Right? Cube root is 1/3 power. Then after that, you're going to flip it over. So it becomes 2 to the negative 1/3 power. Then after that, you have to go and apply the third law to bring this to the front. Okay. Then after that, you can evaluate, so it will be negative 1/3 times 0.30, and this will equal to negative 0.10. Okay, let's go to example 5. Okay, you're solving. So you have a log base 3 of x plus log base 3 of x minus 6 equal to 3. So whenever you're solving for log equation, you always want to make it into one log. So you have to apply the first law. So you have to multiply this together. Okay, so this becomes log base 3 of x squared minus 6x equal to 3, right? Because you have to multiply the inside, so this will give you x squared minus 6x. So once you get a single log, then you're going to change the form. So you're going to get 3 to the 3 equal to x squared minus 6x. Right? Base stays same, the base does not move, and you just crisscross the numbers. Then you work it out, so you got 27 equal to x squared minus 6x. Going to move this over. Okay. Then after that, you do your factoring. So you have to add to get negative 6. You have to multiply to get negative 27. So it starts with 1 comma negative 27, 3 comma negative 9, and that's it. And I'm going to switch sides. Okay, so I'm going to do this. So I get x plus 3, x minus 9. So from here, you set it equal to 0. And then you solve. So minus 3 on each side. So you get x equal to negative 3. This one you plus 9 on each side. So you get x equal to 9. Now for the logs, after you solve, you have to check for each answer, because the log of a negative number is undefined. So when you put a negative 3 over here, you're going to get log of negative 3. So this one is no good. Okay, you cannot have a log of negative number. So when you put 9 over here, so it's good. You have to check each one. So put a 9 over here, 9 minus 6 is still positive. So this one is good. So x equal to 9.